Hey there, what's up guys? This is Pav from All SEO Basics. Hope everyone's staying safe. Guys, today we're going to be looking at the best link building strategies. Basically do it yourself from home on building up your links to your website and building up your web presence. But we're going to be basically covering three main things in this tutorial. We're going to be, allocating your competitors in the first part. We're going to be checking your competitors' backlinks, and then we're going to build our backlink profiles based on the actual competitors. So that is really, really cool strategy. And this way you can never go wrong, because if you target a high competitors that you're competing against, your blog, your website, you can target the same kind of keywords, same blog, same forums, same posts, and you can rank higher really, really quickly than you can imagine. Okay, so I've made a blog, there's more link in description, and I've wrote about everything that I'm going to cover today. So you can click on there and you can view the whole step by step if you kind of get lost. There's more details online of what I'm going to be showing you today, and you've got all the links and everything there. But I'm going to demonstrate it as well here on the computer. So what do we actually need? Well, first of all, we're going to be using two tools. We're going to be using SEMrush.com. Now, if you haven't got SEMrush, you can create a free account. It's a free SEO tool used for backlinks, removing toxic backlinks. You name anything related to SEO you can do on this tool. One of the top tools available. And then we've got Neil Patel. Now, Neil Patel, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This website is pretty much new, hasn't been around for long. But it's grown to be a really, really good tool to check in all your backlinks and stuff. It's pretty cool. And I like this feature because of the way you can sort the data and stuff. It's really, really easy. And really works really well for doing your backlinks. So I'm going to show you the way you can do it the most easiest way. So first thing, you want to register on SEMrush and you want to create an account. Now, if you haven't got one, create one for free. If it asks you to pay, just click on skip. Then what you want to do here at the right hand side, you want to click on advertising. You want to click on SEO and click on organic research. Now in the SEO dashboard, when you click on organic research, you will get this input box come up where you put in your domain. So I'm going to show you guys. We're going to use one of my blogs that I have. It's a music blog, and just going to click on search. This will give us the organic research of how things are going, and how things, how they're growing and stuff. And when we go down, okay, we keep scrolling down, we're going to get to this part over here. See that? So we can see our top 5 competitors on the free account, and we can see them over here as well, how they're competing against us. So what we want to do is we just want to kind of save these. So you might want to get paper, jot them down, or you can just select them all, copy them, then open up a text file and save them in a text file. But I already know my competitors, and we're pretty much, in contact. We share posts and stuff, so we help each other out as well. That's a good way of building backlinks. But there are like outside things you want to do. You kind of want to know where your competitors over the several years they've built up their backlink portfolio, and it's not just them, it's different users posting like, oh, look over here, check this out, this over here, check this website out. And there's all these other links online, and if the page rank is high from that forum or blog or comment that someone has posted linking to your website, it will result in increasing your search density within the search engines. So what you want to do, okay, is you want to just save this. Now this is the main thing, finding your 5 main competitors. So here are our 5 main competitors for our website. So this is the first part you want to do. Then you want to head over to Neil Patel, or Neil Patel, however you pronounce it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our competitors. For example, we're going to take hiphopmakers.com. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it so I can copy and paste this over here. Going to take hiphopmakers.com, put that in there, and click on analyze website. So once we analyze the website, okay, can tell us that you can log in. As you can see, it's very quick. We don't have to log in. You know, just click on X. Now it's free to use. Obviously you can sign up. It costs about $30 for the whole year. So there's a link in the more description if you want to follow Neil Patel and get your membership. It's very, very simple. Now, you know, you don't have to. I don't recommend you getting a membership. It's free to use. I use it for free, so you guys should also use it for free. But if you don't want to be limited to 100 backlinks, is what you're limited to seeing what the user has. Whereas this user has 37,000 backlinks. If you want to view all of them, obviously I would recommend you getting a membership. And it's something I might do myself down the line when I want to build more backlinks and stuff. Okay, so once you click on the backlinks on the side, as I just done, don't know if you guys seen, I'm going to show you again. Once you get your search results, you click on backlinks here on the right hand side, and what this will do, this will open up, you know, all the backlinks that this website has. When you scroll down, you can see that all the backlinks are over here. So they will usually be, you know, sorted with the main score here at the top. Now you've got these little buttons. I don't know if you can see them sorting by the ascending and descending. So when you click on it, it will actually show you the least page score and the most that you can get, just like that. See that? Now the main free sorting you want to do is you want to search for all the domains that they have on the side here, and you want to kind of create backlinks from them. So what you do is your competitors is you click on the search the domain score, okay, make sure that it starts from 100, and you want to start working your way down from the top all the way to the bottom. And now here on the side you've got follow and no follow. So as you can see, the no follow links, they won't affect your search and your rankings as much as the follow links. So what you want to do is you want to select the follow before you do anything. And you first want to run through all the follow links. So these are all the links that will actually help you rank better. No follow links also help you rank, don't get me wrong, but they don't help you rank as much as the follow do. But you need to kind of balance it out. You need to have follow and no follow, but try to have more follow links than no follow. It kind of works better in building up your ranks online. Now if you go on follow, okay, it will only show you the follow links that this website has, your competitor. And now you can kind of go down and you can kind of see that there's a search Yahoo. So there's a search Yahoo, so you can click on it and they come up on Yahoo. So you can't really build a backlink on there, so you close it down. Go to the next one. Now Google, you can see already that's Google, so you can't really do that. Bing, oh, Engadget.com, that's interesting. It looks like some kind of forum or something maybe. So you can see there's a website here. When you scroll down, maybe they left some comments and you go, oh no, oh look, you can leave a comment but you can't leave a website link. So you kind of skip that again, and you know there will be 1 out of 5 really good backlinks. So you go down again, track hustle dot something, so let's click on that. Okay, this is down. So you keep going now, don't panic, okay? There is going to be very good backlinks coming up. Now if they're in different language, again, you know, this is a very good demonstration. They're in different language like this, you kind of want to stick away from it. You just want to kind of stick to English. So here we go. So create space, community resource. So let's have a look. This was created in 2014. It's like a blog. So they've changed the website now, so it's an Amazon company, okay? So make some music. Let's have a look at this meta filter. So here we go. Look, so we've got a forum based kind of thing where you can leave comments and stuff. So what you would do then is you would create an account, like sign up, and you would then create an account, and then you can just go out, click on a link again once you're registered, and you can leave a comment saying, I'll check this website out. Now this, you know, this is going to be good, okay, because it will give you let's have a look. This is meta filter. So you know that meta filter has got a domain rank of 86 and a page rank of 20, which is really good. Anything with domain rank, okay, above 50 is very high. Or if it's got page rank about 30 and over, it's very good, but 50 above is just brilliant. So anything 50 and above is just awesome. On the domain rank here, as you can see, domain score. So that's really good. So you can build your links this way. Now you'd obviously keep working your way down, and you got another one here where you can maybe just like, you know, leave comments. You can write a comment and stuff and leave backlinks this way. And you just keep working your way down, just keep working your way down. So, you know, there'll be this page. There'll also be a few pages like something like, you know, forums are very good. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a forum on here. So here's another blog. Now this is the way you can do it from home. So here we go, we've got a forum here. As you can see, I've already made a profile there and built some links on the same forum there. So you guys can see, you know, you kind of go through it, and there'll be a load of different forums, like another one here, as you can see. So you can build your forums up really well. And I'm gonna save this forum because I'm gonna actually do a few backlinks on this one later. So you can kind of see the way it goes, and you just work your way down, and then once you've finished, write all your backlinks down. So you want to kind of maybe create a toolbar. So you might want to create toolbar, like a bar option, and click on done, you know, save it. So you can save all your backlinks, and here at the side you can save all your backlinks right over here. And once you save all your backlinks, you can go back to them and check them. So you might want to create like folders on create links and save all your backlinks and check them just to make sure that the links stay there, they haven't been removed. And you want to work your way down and keep a track of it. And this is the best way of actually how I seem to do my backlinks, okay? And it has helped my websites grow a lot. I have started a new SEO blog, the All SEO Basics, and it's grown to a really good extent at the moment. And it's, you know, it's doing really well. And obviously once you've finished with all your 100 searches down here, sorry if I talk a lot, but once you finish going through all 100 of them, you can then click on the page score and, you know, change the search that way. Okay, so change it with the page score, try, you know, going through them. But if you find yourself that you know, just looking at the same ones you've done already, maybe click on next. It might ask you to upgrade. If you want, you can upgrade. If you don't, say no thanks. Then what you want to do is put in your other competitor and just keep building down. Now the membership is only $30, but I highly recommend it because you would see all the thousands of backlinks that they've got, which is brilliant. And don't be put off by the domain score. If the domain score is anything above 30, okay, it will still help you rank. Anything above 50 is just awesome, brilliant. But anything above 30 will still be a very good increase in your rank. So you can imagine how many backlinks they've got, you know. And then if you look at the page score, like most websites have a page score of about 30. So if you look at 30 and above, no issue there. But if the page rank, the domain rank here is anything above 30, it's great. You don't need to even worry. You know, most of my blogs have got page rank of 20, 25, and I'm trying to get them higher. So even, you know, you can see, and this is websites that receive a traffic of 1,500 users a day, and you know, they still got about 25 domain score. So you know, it takes a lot for websites that have domain score of 30 to 50. They're websites that get about 10,000, you know, 5 to 10,000 users a day. Anything with 90 domain score, they get millions of users. So these websites here, obviously they're millions and billions of users with that kind of domain score. So you kind of get what I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, so this is the best way of you guys can build your own backlinks at home and keep track of them. And then once you finish, you can then kind of maybe type in different competitors. So you can go back down here and click on hip hop, and you can see that they have different competitors now. Look, so they have 5 different ones. So you go on all these different competitors, and now you, instead of having 5 different competitors, you got 10. And you can look at your maybe top 50 competitors and look for the top 100 backlink profiles. And if you get, imagine this, right? So you take 50 different people, 50 different websites, and you've only picked the top 100 backlinks that they have, and you select maybe out of those 100 you do about 20 each on each page, let's say. So that's 50 times 20. Ooh, calculator for 50 times 20. My math is really crap. 50 times 20, 50 times 10 is 500, 50 times 10 is 500. So you're looking about 1,000 kind of backlinks, 1,000 really high quality backlinks from these 50 people. Well, that doesn't make sense. It's 100, isn't it? My maths was never really good, but let's have a look. So we get 50 websites. Let's have a look. We get 50 websites. Okay, and that out of those 50 websites, we're gonna get 20 backlinks. From each website, we're gonna get 20 backlinks. So we do 50, okay, times 20, yeah, which is 1,000. So we're gonna have 1,000 high quality backlinks from 1,000 different websites doing this strategy. So you guys kind of get what I mean. I hope you enjoy this. This is do it yourself, do it from home, build your own backlinks from your house, you know, from your bedroom, and build it up to a point where you can, you know, do really well. Now, if you do follow this strategy, I guarantee you will see a search, you know, increase results within weeks. Sometimes it can take 180 days to actually see results, so don't be put down. Give it a couple of months, just keep working on the backlinks and try to do at least 5 to 10 backlinks a day, and I will guarantee you will see a huge increase in a couple of months in traffic, in domain authority, and everything will just go just fine. Apart from that, I hope I taught you something here today. Don't forget to follow my blog. Stay safe, peace out, see you again soon. Ciao.